Hey everybody, Nolan here with the Tailored Realty team. Happy Tailored Tuesday. For today's video, we are going to be kicking off a short little mini series where every day this week, we are going to be sharing our tips and tricks for helping you get your house ready to sell if you are in the market to sell your home. Now, we are just coming up on this hot spring market that we are anticipating, is still going to be a great time for sellers to list their homes. We still have low inventory. So if you're thinking of selling your home, now is a great time to start making those small improvements to get your house ready so that you can sell this spring and get top dollar for your property. So on today, our first day of our tips and tricks, I'm going to go over some things you can do in your kitchen to help get your house ready to sell. So the three main things we're going to focus on are the cabinets, countertops, and appliances in your kitchen. If you have cabinets that are in decent shape in your house, maybe they are older wooden cabinets or maybe they had been painted but are chipping, a great way to see some improvement in that kitchen is just to get a new fresh coat of paint on those cabinets. Nice clean white cabinets are what buyers are looking for right now still, so if you can do that, that's a great way to add some value to your kitchen. Second, countertops. It doesn't have to be super expensive to get new countertops in your kitchen. You can get a nice new granite slab for only a couple $1,000s. And again, as you're making these improvements, buyers are looking for updated, renovated kitchens in their home. So you might spend a few $1,000s here or there, but buyers are going to be willing to spend $10,000 to $15,000 more on a home that has an updated kitchen. So keep that in mind. These costs really do pay for themselves. And finally, appliances. If you have, let's say, a stainless steel fridge, but you have an older black or white dishwasher or oven and range, let's update some of those appliances so that they all match, so that they're all stainless steel. Again, with these items, you might be spending $4,000 or $5,000 in your kitchen, but you might be getting back $10,000 to $15,000 in value added for potential buyers. So that's a really great thing to do. Other minor things you can do, once you get those cabinets painted, put some new hardware on them, get some new handles, some new pulls. That can really help update the look of the kitchen, make it look nice and fresh and new. If you don't have a tile backsplash on the back of your wall, a great thing you can do is add just a crisp white subway tile to your kitchen. That's really going to just help tie the space together. And then finally, flooring. If you're updating your flooring, which we'll cover in another video this week, but if you're updating your flooring in the rest of your house, carry that into the kitchen as well. Buyers are looking for nice flooring throughout the home. Otherwise, if you're just doing the flooring in the kitchen, you can do a nice sheet vinyl or a luxury vinyl planking. And these are pretty cost-effective ways to update the space and still really get that money back when buyers come to check out your property. So again, look at ways to update your cabinets, your countertops, your appliances. These are all pretty easy things you can do in a pretty short amount of time that are really going to help you get some return on that investment and really improve your space when buyers come to look at it. So keep an eye out for the rest of our videos this week. Let us know in the comments if you have other things you want us to talk about. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in. Happy Tailored Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.